Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Sound Simulator on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar, click to the My option at the lower right corner of the home screen, tap to the settings, and here you can find the personalized settings section. And here you can find the first option, the disable natural sound simulator. Actually, I use the sounds, but if you want to turn off, click to the next white circle. And if it will be turned green, this function will be disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.